Sally. Sally is a busy mum. She always puts her family first, cooking, cleaning, running around after the kids, but unfortunately this takes its toll on her body, her energy levels and her finances. With one household income, it's hard to make healthy choices. That was until she joined the Successful Mums Club. She learned that for under $12 a day, she could say goodbye to yo-yo diets and replace her meals with a premium nutritional system by flooding the body with nutrients while ridding the body of toxins, resulting in a more energised, younger-feeling mum. Thousands of Australians are so happy with this lifestyle change that they now have their very own business promoting this system, making them thousands of extra dollars every month. As seen on Channel 9's A Current Affair, Australia is only one of 11 countries lucky enough to be given the opportunity to start your own Isagenix business. Some of them have even made over $1 million with this business opportunity. Imagine that! The best part is, it's easy to start. Simply go to thesuccessfulmumsclub.com and you'll be on your way to changing your body, energy levels and finances, all with one amazing opportunity.